Good
Live.
morning.
01.
Good morning.
02.
Happy sacred sexy Sunday, if you're feeling it. So let's see. I should be in there. So I am. I'm feeling a lot of different things this morning. My coming home from San Diego, it's like, I feel like I was off to a good start. Like I did good. Like emotionally, I was really concerned that I wasn't gonna do so good. And now I'm starting to get into this grieving, sad, not where I want to be kind of thinking.
Show items 1 to 2 of 2.
So, I just need to allow myself to feel it. Trying to find my peace and make love to and love with, and gratitude and joy in what is, in where I am in New Hampshire, and in establishing and creating relationships and finding access to all that I enjoy that I find I have access to in San Diego, like trying to find some access to that here. But it's just like hitting me pretty hard between yesterday and today, like just missing my loved ones out there, and missing the community and the beach and the people and the food and the music and just everything, you know.
Show item 1 of 1.
And it's like there's nice weather here, and I can do my best
Show items 1 to 3 of 3.
to as much as I can of that here. Which, like, seriously, on a real, like, I haven't even been home a week, and like I've done more, you know, as far as like trying to create new experiences and meet new people, like in this short period of time than I did before, you know, in longer periods of time. Like I've met 2 new people. I'm going to be meeting another new person today. I've gone for walks. I'm like, so I've been working at it, but at the same time, like, there's just a big part of me that's like sad and wanting more out of my life, and wanting something different, and wanting to create more change in my world, in my life, wanting the life that I want for myself, right? And just in a deep state of recognition that, like, this is not working, this isn't what I want, and like right now, just feeling like overwhelmed by responsibility, and like I don't need all of this. Like I don't need all this stuff. I don't need all this space. I'm not doing anything with any of it here. Like, this is my main room. I spend my time in when I'm here. Like, since I got home, and even since before, I don't think I spent much time in my bedroom. Like, I'm just like, yeah. I want So just I don't know what I'm doing yet. Like, I still need to sit with myself and get clear on what I'm doing. And
Show items 2 to 5 of 5.
I'm gonna put together a write-up of the potential living situations and the possibilities that I'm looking for in San Diego area, or like especially OB, and circulate it and see what lands, while putting energy and intention into, it just seems like my energy is all over the place and it doesn't seem clear and solidified, and it bugs me. Like I don't have like a solid grounded plan, and my masculine is not doing so well with that. Like, my masculine needs to know, and we need to have a plan, and we need to be on that plan, and but my feminine's like, I don't know, which way do I go? What do we want to do? And it's
Show item 1 of 1.
So just sitting with it.
Show items 1 to 2 of 2. Show items 4 to 6 of 6.
I'm probably gonna be bleeding any day now too. So there's like my moon cycle's on the bend, and then like my heart is being pulled. My heart is also really confused and conflicted. There's just a lot of like realistic, logistical shit that needs to be talked about and thought about and sorted through. Both logistically and emotionally. Around what I'm doing or what I'm not doing. And the see, I heard, that's what I meant, because I don't saw. I heard comments.
Kelly Bird Green is watching. Endless comments will appear here.
Hey, Kelly.
Kelly Bird Green, hello beauty. Kelly Bird Green, button. Wave. Vantage Shadow is watching. Shashank Sharma, break thumbs up. Shashank Sharma, button. Wave. Kurt Lifford is watching. Gordon Rogers, enlist. Kurt Lifford is watching. Enlist comments will appear here.
Hey, Roger. Hey, Kurt.
Wave. Shashank Sharma, button. Shashank Sharma, Vantage Shadow, wave. Kelly Bird Green. Kelly Bird Green. Kelly Bird Green, wave. Gordon Rogers, button. Gordon Rogers, seek the people who support you in your dreams.
Thank you, Roger.
Effect tools, button. Out of list comments will appear here.
So that's the thing. What are my dreams? Like right now I just feel so open, not being here and living over there, like that's number one. In what capacity? Like, am I co-temple mating? Is there a temple out there that wants me and that has the space for me to do events? Or is there a temple out there where I just rent a room and I, just see private clients and then do events somewhere else, or not do events at all? Do I get my own place? Do I couch surf and save money to get an RV and live on the road with someone? Do I and then I got my meow meow that like there's potentialities with, but her and her partner and the baby like have their own dreams and plans that they want for themselves, and then Mr. Mystery Man that I'm still like figuring things out with. There's been some challenges, but there's like so much love and like so much like soul pull between us. I can't explain it. And so what does Candace want and need in all this? It's really hard answering that, like, because I feel like being blind, like, I just don't know, you know, like, yeah. Yeah, it's definitely not feeling solid, sure, or secure to be, like, really real. Yeah, so, but whatever, and just trying to funnel through and process some of this. So I do have an air conditioner now, though, so I'm thankful for that. And I'm gonna be meeting up with Chantel today, which sometime this morning, which I'm excited about. And you know, meeting new people is always like, yeah, a little nervous, a little exciting, you know. This is someone I've been kind of talking to off and on for a bit. They also have the same vision impairment I have, except nowhere near as degenerated as mine is. And so it's just exciting and cool, and I'm definitely like, I need more people in my life. Like, I can't, for however much longer I'm here in New Hampshire, like, I cannot be spending as much time alone. And I need to get out more, and I need more support with getting out more. Yeah. So that's that. And now you blow my nose. My head is feeling a little less clogged. I think I might have finally like rebalanced my sleep, and my head is feeling like my equilibrium or whatever is back, and like balancing with the allergies and the pollen and being on ground and not in air.
Show items 5 to 7 of 7.
And the time zone change, feeling a little bit better with that stuff, but my emotions and like my mental status is definitely like hitting like a grieving and like a sadness and a loss, and like a real missing of all that I love in San Diego. Okay.
Gordon Rogers, seek the people who support you in your dreams. Enlist help. Gary Chris is watching. Wave. Effect tools button. Out of list. Rotate camera to rear facing button.
I hope everyone is having a beautiful, blessed day. Au revoir.
Back button. Navigation bar.